What do you think makes us different at Young at Heart Home Care from other agencies you worked with before?
I think that what makes Young at Heart different is that Erica, she listens. You can talk to her without feeling like she's judgmental to what you have to say. You can be open. You can make suggestions. I've worked for companies before that what they say is what goes. They're not open to anything else that you have to say. If you don't like what they have to say, then you have to find somewhere else to work. But with Young at Heart, it makes me feel there's love, there's care, there's concern that goes beyond not the client only, but also it's extended towards the employees.
And now for the final question. What do you think the best part of working for Young at Heart Home Care is?
The best part is just that you can be yourself. You can be yourself. If there's a problem, you can always pick up the phone and call. It doesn't matter time, day, hour, second. It's just that it's a company that you can rely on to listen and be there for you.